Hi class! Today we're going to learn about the meaning and purpose of powwows in Native American culture. First, let's talk just a little bit about Indian dance as a whole. Dance is a very important and old tradition among American Indians, and it serves many purposes in American Indian life. Although dance styles and content have changed, their meaning and importance has not. There are dances to heal the sick, to mourn, to give thanks, to gain personal strength, to welcome visitors and to honor individuals, and to socialize. Most dances seen at powwows today are social dances. So what is a powwow? A powwow is a celebration of life and community gathering that allows family, friends, and the public to get together and share the Native American cultural traditions. These traditions not only include dance, but also food, crafts, and singing. Powwows give Native Americans a chance to celebrate their rich heritage and reflect on who they are as American Indians. The powwow as intertribal social events began in the early 20th century among the Plains tribes. These events have since spread to most American Indian tribes. There are two general types of powwows: the traditional powwow and the contest powwow. The contest powwow is a more recent innovation where dancers in different dance categories compete for prize money. A powwow may include as many as 100 to 250 dancers and 10 or more drum groups. Powwows can be held in a variety of different locations. You'll see powwows that are indoors, outdoors, in school gymnasiums, or arenas. Really, any location where there's a large open space to accommodate the dancers and the drum groups. Today's modern powwow provides an opportunity for American Indians from many different tribes to meet and exchange ideas about songs, dances, dance outfits, and other tribal traditions. Most large powwows last for days. Participants will often camp near the powwow grounds. There are concession stands where American Indian foods, art, and craft items can be purchased. Some powwows even include games and sports competitions. These events are all open to the public. The outfits worn by the dancers, just like the styles of clothing today, have evolved over time. Many of the dance outfits seen at modern powwows are adaptations of Plains Indian style outfits, with men and boys wearing a grass dance outfit. Historically, the men wore belts or bustles made of crow's feathers, with braided grass tucked into the belt. Later on, the crow's feathers were replaced with eagle feather bustles, and the grass is symbolized today in the form of yarn strands. Many women wear jingle dresses, which have its origin among the Great Lakes tribes. Jingle dresses are made of cloths. The dress includes several rows of rolled metal, which are sewn across the dress onto the blouse and repeated on the skirt. The metal cones create a jingling sound as the dancer moves. The circle is a really important symbol to American Indians. Powwows are set up so that everything is a circle. The drums are considered the heartbeat in the center of the circle. The dancers and audience form a circle around them. Even the concessions and camping areas form another circle around the gathering. The powwow brings the circle of the people closer together, closer to their family, friends, and their American Indian culture. It's thought that when you enter the circle, any thoughts of ill will, any animosities or jealousy towards others must leave your mind so that the sacred circle is not tainted. Veterans play an important role in powwows. They are asked to be flag bearers, called upon to retrieve any dropped eagle feathers, which are considered to be sacred, and they're honored through various veteran songs. The respect shown to veterans is an important part of the American Indian culture. This is a tradition from times when the well-being of a village depended on its fighting men. To be a warrior was a man's purpose in life, and the best death a man could make was to sacrifice himself defending the tribe. Veterans were honored because they were willing to give their lives so the people could live. The veterans of today are honored and respected the same way as warriors of the past. Powwows are a way that Native Americans come together, celebrate, and reflect on who they are as American Indians. For your activity, please journal about 1 or 2 ways that you and your family come together, celebrate, or reflect on who you are.